Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and let's scroll down in order to find the passwords and accounts. As you can see right here, we've got a whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using the accounts here. So let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the personal space, personal section, and here we've got all previously added accounts. So let's begin with removing the account. So let me pick this one, just tap on the account you'd like to remove and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will actually be removed. So now we can add the account. So let's tap on this option, pick Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and we have to verify that it is I have to verify that it's me. And as you can see from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and as you can see, I've got it saved, so let me tap on it. Let's tap on next. A quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see right here, we've got our Google account, so it has been immediately added. So basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.